Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I am here with a new tutorial, that is get data from SQL Server database to Textbox in C# and Spawn application. Previous tutorial was insert, delete, update and charts in C# with SQL. This tutorial is get data from database to Textbox directly in C# with SQL. Okay, now I'm gonna add a button control to display data from SQL Server database to Textbox in C# in Spawn application. Button text is get. Go to the button click event. Let's get the records. These are the records in the database table, which is displaying in the data grid view. Now I am going to show records data from SQL Server database to Textbox based on product ID. So con.open, con.close, con is connectionString, SQL Server connectionString, what I added in this project. What you can see in the previous tutorial, you can see is SQL connection, SQL connection, connectionString programming tutorial DB. Okay, now I just use this connectionString connection in the button 5 click event get. Okay, now I'm gonna add a SQL command. My SQL command is to select the records, item name, design, color, insert expiry date based on product ID. It will display in the text box based on product ID. Okay, I just initialize the connectionString con. Now my SQL command is select item name, design, color and expiry date. It will display from product info underscore tab. Okay, from product info underscore tab, where at a higher clause where ID, it will display the result in the text box based on product ID in textbox1.text. So integer dot first, product ID is integer type, so integer dot first textbox1.text. Okay, now SQL data reader. SQL data reader SRD equal to command is my SQL command dot execute reader. Okay, while SRD dot read. Okay, now textbox 2 I mean item name. Textbox 1 is for product ID, textbox 2 item name, textbox 2 dot text equal to SRD dot get value 0. 0 means item name. Noted that index in C# index always start from 0. So 0 index is item name and design is index 1 in textbox 3. Color in ComboBox 1 dot text equal to SRD dot get value 2 index 2 color dot twisting, and finally datetimepiker 1 dot text equal to expiry date in index 3 get value 3 expiry date dot twisting. Okay, now let's debug. Food product ID, get yes, laptop core 5 expiry date 28 September, but it's not displaying perfectly in the grid view. It says this data grid view. Okay, now debug again. Food product ID 101. Yes, you can see 101 laptop Dell Core i5 white and the expiry date also. 102 yes, monitor Dell LED white, and 103 disk Dell black. Yes, it's all working fine.